Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see the best free Azure tool you might not be using but you should. So stop what you're doing. If you're using Azure but not this free tool yet, you are seriously missing out on saving time, improving security, and crushing your cloud projects. I'm going to show you the hidden gem inside Azure that no one talks about, but it's an absolute game changer for beginners and pros alike. By the end, you'll be begging for more free cloud hacks, so smash that like button and let's get started. Okay, so here it is, Azure Security Center. Now imagine a tool that automatically scans your entire Azure environment, finds potential security leaks, cost inefficiencies, and performance bottlenecks before they become disasters. And guess what? It's 100% free and built right into the Azure. No credit cards, no trial nonsense, just pure power. Meet Azure Security Center free tier, Microsoft's secret weapon for cloud security hygiene. This tool gives you ongoing threat protection, vulnerability scans, and proactive recommendations that help keep your cloud safe without breaking the bank. Plus, it's super easy to enable with just a few clicks. Let me show you how to activate Azure Security Center free tier in your subscription. We'll walk through the portal, enable the service, and check out how it instantly starts identifying issues. From misconfigured firewalls to unpatched virtual machines, you'll see real-time findings and how to fix them fast. Now here's the deal. Cloud breaches cost millions. Missing obvious security gaps, disaster waiting to happen. Azure Security Center's free tier identifies risk before hackers do, keeps your compliance in check, and reduces downtime. From startups to enterprises, this tool is the first line of defense, totally free. Now, but wait, there's more. You should learn how it integrates with Microsoft Defender, automates security workflows, and even connects with your email or SMS for instant alerts. I'll also share pro tips on customizing your threats dashboard, setting smart policies, and even automating remediation using logic apps. Now here it is. Now it says enable Microsoft Defenders for cloud's enhanced security features on your subscriptions. Get started with a 30-day free trial. You will get cloud security posture management. You will have cloud workload protection for machines. You will have advanced threat protection for your PaaS services, including app service plans, storage accounts, and SQL servers. So I've enabled this on trial, on partial trial, which is expired. But then if you click on get started, you can also connect your AWS and GCP deployments to get a unified view of posture management, advanced threat protection. Now, at Microsoft Ignite of November 2021, Microsoft announced a range of security products were being renamed. Now, while the functionality remains mostly the same. So if you'll see, Azure Security Center is our base level of security posture management, including on-prem via Azure Arc. Azure Defender is the advanced workload protection for selected resource types, and Sentinel provides the SIEM and SOAR capabilities, including third-party devices. If you'll see, Security Center or the Azure Security Center security posture management, this is the base layer for monitoring the security configuration. Now, Azure Security Center collects Azure logs. Now it will take you to this, right? So now Defender for Cloud, which is the cloud native application protection platform, provides a unified solution that combines multiple cloud security tools to protect application across their entire life cycle. But if you will still go to Azure Security Center here, right? And if you want to upgrade, it will let you upgrade, right? And if you want to see just-in-time administration, different options, if you want to see how to protect multi-cloud environments as well, this is where you will have the environment setting. I've made videos on it previously. I'll have that link associated with it to cover all the things regarding that. Right, so Azure Security Center, this name was changed in 2021 to reflect the expanded capabilities beyond Azure to hybrid and multi-cloud environment. So now if you go to the portal and look for Defender for Cloud, you will see all the recommendations by risk, total, what is your secure score, and you can connect to different environments. And you can explore the security posture from here. Because I don't have any resources in this my test tenant, that's why it's not able to gauge or show me recommendation. So it's not that you have to first buy a license to get some free features. Those are also available with the free tier until you upgrade. Right, so if you see the recommendations here, if you see here, I'm still getting some recommendations. Storage account should prevent shared access. So it will keep on scanning. And you can have the governance report as well, which will provide you Microsoft security governance and Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So Microsoft Defender for Cloud continuously assess your hybrid and multi-cloud workloads and provides you with the recommendations to harden your assets and enhance your security posture. Right, so if you go here, go back here, this is where you set it up, connect your environment to Defender for Cloud. They are already onboarded. When it comes to Azure, you can onboard AWS, Google Platform, and additional environments. The recommendations that you saw earlier as well. Your attack path analysis, that is available in when you go for Defender for endpoints that are somehow when you work on an incident. You also see the attack path analysis there as well, right? So this is where you will set the security alerts. You'll get the security alerts. This is your inventory. Of all the resources that you have created will show up here. Your Cloud Security Explorer. It allows you to run graph-based queries and proactively hunt for security risk in your cloud environment. Right, so you can query effective exposure to internet, privileges, vulnerabilities, potential lateral movement, and much more. This is the workbook section. Oh, here you have the cloud security. It will give you security posture. It will give you regulatory compliance, workload protections, data and AI security, network security, DEVOPS security. So in single, rather than going on to Azure firewall, you will see here your web application firewalls, your virtual network, virtual hubs, application delivery platforms, and all the related services will show up in a single pane of glass, like your traffic manager, network watcher. You also have unified security management to have these streamlined unified SIC operations as well. Sentinel, Monitor, Defender for Cloud, backup recovery services, Vault as well. So if I go back to Defender for Cloud and go to the DevOps security. So DevOps security addresses the intersection of DevOps with the current threat landscape. I'll make a separate video on this for DevOps security and network security, how you create and use this option. Then you also have management, your environment settings to onboard your subscriptions, right? Governance rules, data sensitivity, direct onboarding. So from here you can manage the data sensitivity settings of cloud resources on the tenant level. Alright, so now if you're serious about crushing cloud security and saving huge time and money, there is no excuse to not use Azure Security Center or Microsoft Defender Aka Microsoft Defender for Cloud free tier today. Comment below if you want me to deep dive into any other free cloud tools. Let's go build some safer clouds together. And if you have any other queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.